niloloko natin ang tao sa billing nila. We're surveying 160,000 households every 3 months.
Household, not hospitals.
Not hospitals.
So we're surveying hospital costs.
Yes. So isn't it easier for you? You're going to do 160 hospitals na under your regulation, hindi nyo matapos kaagad?
So PhilHealth has all that data.
Kaya nga
So
pinapahirap.
there it's doing the survey
Mr. Secretary,
of 5,000.
Mr. Secretary, learn to listen then. I'm telling you, pinapahirapan nyo ang sarili nyo. If I can do it in 1 week, magre-resign ka?
Yes.
O sige, call ako. Call ako. So, even in private hospitals ngayon, pwedeng pumunta pag indigent, basta't within the case rate.
And in the basic accommodation.
Basic accommodation. So, sa charity ward.
Yes.
Okay. So, they can go at dapat, anong ginagamit natin doon? 0 or no?
No, balance.
Case rate.
Case rate.
Case rate. That's called the PhilHealth benefit case rate.
Yes, but in
So
the
they
law,
use the case rate.
in the law, it says no balance.
Zero copay.
Meaning, aalis ka, wala kang babayaran
Which
kasi
law
walang
are
balance.
you referring, Mr. President?
Sorry?
Zero copay.
Which law?
No, kayo nag-mention nun last year that in the law,
Zero copay.
it's indigents lang ang covered nun. Nung no
No,
balance.
the no balance billing is a PhilHealth policy. That if you are paid the case rate, if you are deemed as indigent and you are in the any government hospital, even private, no, even private, there should be no copay. That's the term of the policy of the no balance billing.
That's why I was criticizing it because when we spoke 23 for the 24 budget, ang last na review ng case rate was still 2017. So, syempre, napakababa na nun. So, hindi naman natin binabago yung no balance, pero ang layo na ng inflation or ibang cost, no? So, I'll go back to that later, sir, with your permission. Let's go muna sa LGU. Sa LGU, ano yung rules sa no balance? LGU hospitals?
Indigent, no balance billing. Case rate only in a basic accommodation.
So, why don't we start calling it a case rate rather than no balance or zero balance? Para hindi natin nalilito yung publiko.
Yun kasi yung naging program.
Kasi, correct me if I'm wrong, ha? Kasi ang batas sinasabi, magsa-survey kayo. Di ba? Ang PhilHealth. Pag survey nyo, i-average nyo ngayon yan. So, yung average, yan yung case rate. So kung sa DOH hospital, pag sinabi nyo 50,000 for this procedure, kung sa DOH hospital it's only 35,000, zero billing ka or no billing. Pag pumunta ka sa isang private hospital and it's 50,000 within the case rate, zero billing ka. But kung ikaw mismo pupunta ka sa mas mahal na hospital and it's 70,000, bayad ka ng 20,000. Because the intention of the law was in the average, there's more than enough hospitals na you will go na it's 50,000. Pero pag hindi mo inayos yung case rate, yung average, de halos kahit saan ka pumunta, over, edi natural magbabayad ka. Di ba? So the no billing or zero billing, ang kambal niyan yung case rate. Tama?
Correct.
Okay. Ang problema, because of the scandal, etc., and I knew, sir, wala ka pa nun, yung presidente natin ng PhilHealth, ang ginawa niyong remedyo na lang, quick, 2024, is you just had a order na 30% na lang increase sa lahat. Tama po?
30% plus another 50% increase in case
Yes.
rate. So the total increase as of today is 80%.
Yes, 30% noong 2024, noong 2024, and then nagsunod nga, same year, another 50%. Okay?
Correct. That's correct.
Matatapos na yung 2025. Ba't hindi kayo nagsasurvey? We're talking about our healthcare system eh. And that's why you're supposed to have periodic surveys. But nowadays with digital, and because you regulate hospitals, you cannot send to all the hospitals one piece of paper, or you cannot send a iPad na sasagutin nila, then they give it to you at sasagutin?
For your information, the PhilHealth is currently doing what's called shadow billing, for the diagnosis-related groups.
Sir, you're not
because we're going to
answering my
change-
questions eh. Nandun ako sa inyong survey sa case rate para
The
malaman
survey
nyo.
is the shadow billing of how much each case costs currently in several hospitals.
And how
I think
long-
160 hospitals.
It's November.
PhilHealth is doing
It's
this.
November now. Taguig has 1.3 million residents. We have about 160 to 180,000 households. Every quarter, we do a survey with 200 questions at least per household. Every quarter. It's November now. Why can you not have the survey para alam talaga natin magkano? So, if you're going to tell me,
You asking about a household survey
No,
done
I'm
by
telling
PSA
you
or
that-
a survey of hospitalization?
we're surveying 160,000 households every 3 months.
Household, not
You-
hospitals.
Not hospitals. You're
So we're surveying hospital
yes.
costs.
So isn't it easier for you? You're going to do 160 hospitals na under your regulation, hindi nyo matapos kaagad?
It's ongoing. We're doing it. Kailan matatapos?
It's November na eh.
For the survey to be completed, it's about 5 to 6 million claims that they started
Sir,
to average the cost.
You don't need the claims. Ang pinag-uusapan dito, costing analysis. All you have to do is ask all the hospitals yung bawat ano nyo, magkano yon.
So when there is a claim, there is also the actual cost and the bill. So PhilHealth has all that data.
Kaya nga
So
pinapahirap.
there it's doing the survey
Mr.
of
Secretary,
5,000.
Mr. Secretary, learn to listen then. I'm telling you, pinapahirapan nyo ang sarili nyo. Ito, cesarean section, 23,000 to 58,000 pesos. Sa Fabella, 37,000 pasok. Sa Makati Med, 18 to 240,000. All you have to do is ask Makati Med to average that for you. You send the survey forms, they send it back. You're talking about 160 hospitals. Kayang gawin ng 1 linggo yan. Pinapahirapan nyo sarili nyo. So, 2024, that's 9 years hindi kayo nag-survey. Sorry, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 21, 22. 7 years. So last year, nilagyan nyo na lang percentage. Ngayon, November na, wala pa rin. So, habang wala yan, niloloko natin ang tao sa billing nila. Kasi announce tayo ng announce na don't worry, may PhilHealth, lahat kayo, membro, may zero billing, may may ganitong programa, etc. Litong-lito na sila. Di ba? So why don't we simplify it? Oh, so assuming we do it your way, when will you get the average? When will you get the cost analysis survey results?
Middle of 2026.
If I can do it in 1 week, magre-resign ka?
Yes.
O sige, call ako. Call ako. So, Mr. President, we will meet tomorrow. And I will bring an IT expert. You bring the list of the 160 hospitals and all of this case rate. Okay? No, sir, hindi pwedeng tungo-tungo lang dito sa Senate. Seryoso tayong pinag-uusapan. Be here at 4 o'clock tomorrow? Can you be here at 4 o'clock tomorrow? PhilHealth, President?
Yes, according to the PhilHealth president.
Okay. The yes is okay. So my staff, please make sure.
Yan ang ating Bravo Balita. Salamat sa panonood. Follow at subscribe at like na po kayo sa aming Facebook, YouTube at TikTok channel.